Hey guys, today I'm in Cape Charles, Virginia, and I brought the folding bike with me as well as my folding kayak for this trip. So it's early morning. We're going to take a little bike ride around town. I'm going to show you some of the awesome Victorian architecture here. It is such a cute town, so come along with me. So the houses here definitely give that feeling. If you've ever been to Cape May, New Jersey, that kind of Victorian look to them, a lot of all brick, really, really beautiful. I'm just like going up and down the streets, admiring them, saying, oh, I'd love to have that house, and I'd love to have that one. So I'm here by this really cool statue of Neptune. This is such a beautiful, kind of sleepy seaside town. Now I'm here 2 days after Labor Day, so I don't know if this is the norm, but things I love, free parking. I can bike ride up and down all the streets. It's about 7:30 in the morning, no traffic at all. It's a bike rider's paradise here. Beautiful wide stretches of beach that are uncrowded. Cape Charles is absolutely beautiful. So if you've never been to this part of Virginia, I highly encourage you to check it out. Let's keep bike riding. You can hear the sounds of osprey in the distance. They're looking for food, hunting for fish, and soon they're going to be migrating out of our area. So this was the first trip that I took both the folding kayak and my folding bike, and I also had my parents along with me for this trip. So the three of us, plus my gear, plus their luggage and things, all fit in the car for an overnight, which is just awesome. For me, it's about kind of the portability and convenience. The bike meets that need. I had it up and going in minutes. I'm just biking around the town this morning before we head home, but I'm really glad I brought it along. It's beautiful. Let's keep going. So over here, look at this giant house. This one's for sale. That's a gorgeous house, all brick, that wraparound porch. Got another neat little statue here. It looks like a dolphin. It says Cape Charles, Virginia on it. It's very pretty how they have that there on the dunes. So you can just see what I'm talking about. And then here's an old post office completely made out of brick. So really a lot of charming little places to eat, a lot of great little stores, bookshops, ice cream, candy, everything you'd want in a seaside town. Look at how sweet this little bookstore is. This is Peach Street Books. Alright guys, so that was a really nice way to start the morning with this bike ride. I hope you enjoyed seeing the historic Cape Charles, Virginia area. Thanks for watching everybody. Bye.